Hello everyone, my paper pumpkin kit has arrived and I want to show you what is inside. It arrived a little later than usual, I think probably because of the holiday on Monday. This is the January Hearts for You kit. I'm excited about this one because it's Valentine's Day. We have a real red spot and some glue dots. I'll show you the stamp set in just a minute. Let's take a look. Okay, look at these. These are cute. These are little hearts. They're like epoxy. Now, I heard that the glue dots inside this envelope are not super great. Something was wrong with them, the batch, and they're not sure which ones were wrong, just some of them. So this is why this is included. So in case you got a bad batch, just use these and throw these away. Okay. All right, so we have our dimensionals and little epoxy, really cute glittery pink hearts. And look at these envelopes. These envelopes are really cute. Nice envelopes. They're all the same. This looks like an element from a card. 3 of those. I think the kit makes 9 cards, 3 different designs, 3 of each. So this is one of the card bases. A nice red stripe. Here's some more little pieces. Ooh, look at all these little hearts. 2 sheets of this, little hearts. It's like a string of hearts and some banners, probably where the stamping's gonna go. All right, I'm not organized here. I got stuff flowing everywhere. Okay, so, oh my goodness. We have some stripe envelopes, or card bases, some really cute marbled card bases. And let's see, what are the other ones? White card bases. Oh, but these have a really faint shadow of hearts on them. So let's see what they're supposed to look like when they're put all together. Oh, we've got some really big heart. Oh, look at these. Nice foil love. Some more hearts. Oh, these are pretty too. Look at this one. That is really lovely. And some more labels. Lots going on here. Let's look at the picture. All right, here's the stamp set, and they give you this little sleeve, so you can fold it and make a little pocket for your stamps, and then they just go right in there, and it tells you what's inside. So it says, "You have my heart, you love you, celebrate you, or celebrate love, you're my favorite." So really cute stamp set. And here are the card kits. So you've got, that's really fun. So those hearts that I saw, the strips of hearts kind of get popped up. So they're raised and you get that really nice shadow of hearts on there. That's really pretty. They're all, I don't know which one's the prettiest. This one has hearts that are cut out with that shadow. So we've got some nice shadows going on in this one, lots of layering. So you've got this large heart. Is this one, they're layered, and then this one gets the foil over it. That's really fun. And then this one gets layers also. Really pretty. Okay, really pretty Valentine kit. If you missed this kit, know that I always get extra. Oh, look, some real red twine. Know that I always get extra kits, and also sometimes they have refills. So if you missed out on this kit and wish you got it, let me know fast, because Valentine's Day is coming, and maybe I'll have one left over by the time you contact me. This is the Hearts for You January 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Really cute for Valentine's Day. Oh, I don't want to lose my beautiful envelopes. Let me put those in there. I still have last month's kit left too because I forgot to do a video on it. Holidays got me all crazy, so my December Notes from the Heart kit, I still have that one available. I don't even think I did an unboxing for it because it came right at the heart of Christmas, and this one's really beautiful too. So that one's lovely. And it has a Blackberry Bliss spot. Ooh, and really fun little embellishments. So if you missed that one, now next month's kit is going to be a floral, and I think it has like a garden theme. The envelopes are different shaped. They're kind of like a seed packet where the envelopes, instead of having the flap on the long side, or on the the long side, it's on the shorter side, so it looks like a seed packet kind of envelope, and that's really fun. So that's next month, and I'll put a blurb on that up at my blog. So if you missed out on a past paper pumpkin kit, I have some available at my blog in the garage sale tab, maybe some older ones you missed out on, or I have Hearts for You and Notes from the Heart January and December kits still available. Thanks for watching. Bye.